Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to use WhatsApp on two phones at once. To do that, it's really simple. You have just to go to WhatsApp, open the app, and after that, go and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. After that, go to linked devices and click on link device. After that, you have two choices. You can link the other device. The other device may be a computer or also another phone with QR code. And when you try to open the same account, it will show you QR code. You have just to scan it with your actual device. Or you can link with phone number also. So for the QR code, you have to click on OK. And after that, you will scan a QR code. Of course, I will not give the QR code of my account. Or you can link with phone number. You have to click on it. And after that, it tells you to get your code, go to WhatsApp on the web or another device, then click link with phone number. And after that, you will receive a code. You have to enter the code on your actual device and you will link both devices together. And of course, everything will be synchronized. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.